Hi Kamiranda! This Mentor AJ, one of the GMMG mentors, and sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-deposit at mag-withdraw ng assets sa OKX. So tara, panoorin nyo ang short video tutorial na ginawa ko para sa inyo. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser. Type www.coins.ph. Log in your account, and then select Portfolio, and then select Philippine Pesos. Cash in via given options, and then input the amount you want to buy. Go back to homepage, and then select Buy Crypto. Search USDT. Input the amount you want to buy. Go back to Portfolio, and then select Send USDT. Select your network. In this case, I'll be selecting Solana network. On the OKX homepage, select Assets, and then click Deposit. Select USDT, and then select Solana network. Copy the address, and then go back to Coins.ph page. Make sure that the withdrawal network is the same with the deposit network. Paste the deposit address, and then type the amount you want to send. Click Next, and then click I understand. Select Confirm, and then get the verification code. Type the verification code accordingly, and then wait for it to be transferred. And then finally, you have successfully deposited on your OKX account. And to withdraw your assets, select Withdraw button, and then select USDT. Select On-chain withdrawal method, and then click Next. On Coins.ph, select Transfer USDT, and then select Deposit USDT. Select Solana network, and then copy the address given. Paste the address on your OKX page, and then type the amount you want to withdraw. Then click Next. And then check the box if you agree that you trust this address and want to continue with this withdrawal. Then click Next. Select Confirm. Click Email Authentication Code, and then click Phone Authentication Code. Input the code accordingly, and then select Confirm. Then click OK. At ganun nga lang kasimple mag-deposit at mag-withdraw ng assets sa OKX. For more learnings about cryptocurrency trading, huwag kalimutang i-hit ang subscribe button. Pindutin mo na rin ang like button kung nagustuhan mo ang short video tutorial na ito. Salamat ka Miranda! See you!
This is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit. This is the Global Miranda Miner Group, our home of the culture of Malasakit.